let's make lunch for my family, and this is what my toddlers loves the most. It's meat over here. I've just pressed it in water. Boom! It's just some meat and of course some Irish potatoes. Yeah. Yeah. This is the meal that my kids love so much. Whenever I've cooked this, they eat it like there's no tomorrow. I love our kitchen view. It's so breathtaking, so refreshing. When the onions like are striking your nose, you just come and watch over there. I like watching. Sometimes I get lost in my thoughts, just watching outside there, watching almost nothing but just that beautiful nature out there, the trees, the sun striking my window. Why are why are you pinching, mommy? Why? Pretty, leave it. Please move from the stove. Move. Tell Sissy to get away from here. Okay, stand up, stand. Come. Pretty, move. It's hot. Who wants to sleep? Is it your time to sleep? Pretty, move, please. Yes, it's hot. Pretty, no. One. This one is one. You see that? What is it, Sonny? Pretty, no. Are you washing dishes or you're just playing? Pretty? Oh my God! Don't pour water down on the floor. Okay. No. Put it up there. Put it up. Put it up there in the sink. Good girl. When I need water, I'll send you. Okay. Who is that little girl? Let's cook. And then I'll take you to sleep. Don't enter my skirt. Why are you entering my skirt? A skirt. Why are you entering my skirt? I've never entered your skirt. Wow. I've never entered your skirt, so why are you entering my skirt? You should not do that, yeah? What are you looking for? Apple. Apple is not kept there, it's in the fridge. Fridge, yummy, yes. It's not. As far as I know, I don't think that is apple that you are looking for. Sonny, I don't really think that is apple. That is cooking oil. What are you doing with the cooking oil? Oil. What are you doing with the oil? Close the cupboard. Close it. Good girl. You're a good girl. Clap for yourself for being a good girl. Yeah. Pretty, move, please. I said don't pour water on yourself. That's clear, isn't it? Isn't it so clear? Nearly 10 minutes now. And you're still washing one plate. Why? What are you doing? Look at you cleaning. Is it okay? Good girl. Is it good like that? Look, cleaning water the house, dripping all over you. You're playing with water. Oh my God. How beautiful. Whoa. Hey. That's not nice. That's really not nice. Can you go and change your clothes? Oh no. Sonny, you can't mop the water. I hate peeling Irish potatoes. Sometimes I just get lazy. What I like cooking most cases is cabbage and some meat because it's always easy. Ooh, look at this one. It just make a heart shape. A heart shape. You see? The heart be beating like. Should I cut it or should I not cut it? Oh, it's so cute. It looks like a heart. It looks like a heart like this. I don't know how they usually make that little heart. You see? It just formed a heart. I'm not going to cut this one. I'll just keep it away. Let me replace it with something. Not just any heart though. It forms something like a human heart. How weird sometimes when the farmers are farming and the ground is dark and I don't know what bent it while they were planting the vegetables. So is this a vegetable or a crop? You guys tell me in the comment section below. What is Irish potatoes? Is it a vegetable or it is what did I say? Vegetable or crops? What kind of English is that? Vegetable is the same as crop. I think crop vegetable. I think I've forgotten my agriculture way back in high school. Yeah, so I don't know what that is. Anyways, I'm not going to cut that Irish potatoes which had a heart shape. I don't know why. Sometimes I find weird things in the vegetables or in the crops, and I just leave them. I don't cook them. One day I found okra. That okra, guys, oof. That particular okra that I got, it has a very weird shape, and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna cook this. It made a shape of like it's a conjoined, like the okra is like this, yeah, it's this long, yeah, and then there's another okra joined to it. If I find a picture, I took a picture of it, by the way. Weird me, yeah. Anyways, it's good to be weird sometimes. So it's just conjoined. There's this longer one and there's another okra that just um grew or branched out of it like this. I'll just insert a picture somewhere here if I get it. It just branched like this, and I'm like, oh, these are somebody's twins, and I'm not going. Crazy things we do in the kitchen. These are somebody's twins, and I'm not about to cut somebody's twins right now. This is a sign that the Lord is giving me, or the universe is giving me, that there are some twins somewhere coming up. So I'm not about to cut those twins. No, nope, nope. Just like this Irish potatoes that formed a heart. I'm not gonna cut it and I'm not gonna cook it. Tell me in the comment section below, have you ever found vegetables or fruits that made some funny, weird shapes and you start looking at it and being like, what the is this? Yeah. Or you just get it, grab it and cook it anyways. So what is there to fear if we can eat meat anyways, and meat has blood from the cows and the goats and the chickens. But the good thing is they slaughter them when we don't see. Otherwise, when if I were to be present when they were cutting it or slaughtering it, I wouldn't eat it because my heart. Anyways, our meat is ready, so let's put in the Irish potato. That's how it looks, so sizzling. And in South Sudanese communities, they love eating it like this. You just put a little bit of soup and then just eat it like that. It's called, is it sherbulaham? In Arabic, it means. Sonny, what did you just take from the drawer? You took some plates. Okay, put them back in the drawer. Good, yeah. Take only one to cook with. Okay. You want to go cook, yeah? Take on to cook. What are you going to cook? Are you going to cook nyanya yummy yummy? Yeah. Sonny, what is it, baby? What? You want to sleep? Okay, come, let me go sing for you, lullaby. Come, let's go sleep. Oh, Sonny is so good. If she wants to sleep, she just comes straight and sleeps on the sofas. and just wait for me to be patting her boom boom like this, and she would be sleeping. And we just play her best lullaby, and she will just sleep in no minutes. You see, she's already turning her head, and she's going to sleep in no minutes. Pretty, do you also want to sleep? Yeah, Mama. Come on, sleep if you want to sleep. Come. It's not yet your time. Okay. Let your sissy sleep. Okay. Once she's awake, it will be your turn to sleep. Yeah. But now enjoy the view outside. Less than 10 minutes and she's already sleeping. Sometimes you just serve everyone else and forget that you have not even eaten anything. I just realized I haven't taken tea since morning. So let me just make myself a cup of tea. Oh, is this motherhood or this is just something else? How can I even forget that I didn't take tea? Moreover, it's me who made the tea for the family and served the whole family, but I just forgot myself. So let me just make myself a cup of tea real quick, real quick. You mummies, do you sometimes like, is it a weird behavior on me or is it on all mothers that sometimes you just forget yourself? You know, not only breakfast, but sometimes I forget lunch. I forget to eat lunch, and I feel so full, like I've eaten something. It's just that my brain is. I don't know. My brain sometimes lies to me that I've eaten when I haven't eaten. Oh, welcome to mamahood. Let me know in the comment section below if somebody ever forgot themselves. Not only mothers, also fathers who are too busy taking care of kids may forget to take care of themselves. So let me just know if you've ever forgotten yourself while serving others. I bet this tea is going to be more yummy than usual because I can literally feel the hunger, not anger, but hunger, like biting me. Too much sugar. Anyhow, I'll drink it like that. I don't I don't mind much sugar. If you have ever lived in Sudan or you've ever lived with South Sudanese, we drink a lot of sugar. Put like in a small cup like this, like 5 big teaspoon, 5 big tablespoon or tea tablespoon, whatever the sugar can be this much, and we still like take it. Anyways, let me enjoy my tea, guys, as I continue with the cooking. I usually don't like putting garlic in Irish potatoes because it spoils so fast. In case you leave some for tomorrow. So my youngest son is still sleeping and Pretty's awake and she's definitely hungry, and I'm not going to let her wait for her younger sister because normally they eat together, but I know she must be hungry right now because it's already 1 p.m. So I'm going to serve her alone. And maybe Sonny comes and once she wakes up, she will eat alone. I know she may not enjoy eating alone because they are used to eating together. So this is mommy's stew now. It's ready. We don't have visitors, so I'm not gonna use any serving dishes, but I'll just use this one because it's only me and my kids anyways. Why should I stain the dishes? Nope. At the end of the day, it's me to wash them. Tell me in the comment section if you're gonna try this dish, or have you learned how to cook it, or did you know how to cook it even way before this video? Let me know in the comment section below. And look at Pretty's hand, is already on the food even before I take it to the dining hall. Let's go and eat. Sisi's awake. You're going to eat with your sister. Let's go. Come on, let's go. The ministers of enjoyment are eating their lunch. Hey, ministers of enjoyment, how are you? Sorry, woke up. It's just like she smells the food when it's ready, and she's just like, girls, you can't leave me behind. They love this meal. Cook it for your kids. They may love it too. Sonny, what kind of eating is that? Pretty, use one hand to eat. Don't use two hands. Use one hand. Okay? Good girl. Eat with your right hand, not the left. Good girl. Yes, you eat like that with the right hand. Eat, Sonny. Eat yummy yummy. Yeah, that's yummy yummy, isn't it? It's so yummy yummy, yeah? Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up to support Pretty and Sonny's YouTube channel, and also subscribe for more videos like this in the near future. Let me just go and get myself something to eat, because after they have eaten and I didn't, they'll start disturbing me and I may not even eat, like the way they interrupted my breakfast. So let me, it's yummy. So let me just go and eat, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao.